Welcome to the Introduction to Development in SIP Environment, or as we call it, SIP Workbench. Before we dive into details of how application is created, let us make a quick tour of one existing simple application. Just to get the feeling what is it in there, and how it looks and feels. So, first on the environment itself. To the left there are three main ingredients from which your apps are going to be baked. Pages, data, and actions. In Pages you design visual aspect of your app, pages, buttons, data tables, pictures and others. In data you will be modeling data and information. Data, in all its forms and shapes, is something that is going to be either shown on pages or processed by actions. Data is modeled conventionally as tables, or as we call it, data sheets, which are very much like your Excel sheets. In actions you create instructions on how your app is going to behave and how your data is going to be processed. For example, what happens when some button is clicked, how to calculate average sales price over some period, who gets the mail when stock of item drops below some value. Anything that you can imagine to bring your pages and data to life. At any moment you can press this magic button and instantly see how your app is functioning. Live. No deploying, no compiling, no waiting whatsoever. Every change is instantly visible. On top of your SIP Workbench, you exercise control over your own data and your other SIP applications. You can update your personal information, change password or open some other application for editing. You can create new application, share, and even transfer editing control to someone else. Finally, at any time you have control if your app is running or not. When app is stopped, visitors and users get a message that it is not currently available. This is it for this brief introduction to SIP Workbench. You can now follow to our other videos that will take you deeper into syp.cloud development.